Must be, because he's trying, but he's not trying very hard. Normally they chase the sparrows away. Oh, he's going to try again. He's trying. Must be a youngster. Problem is he's outnumbered. Oh. Oh, wow. It's just poking at each other. They're poking each other in the bill.
He doesn't want to get damaged.
No, he goes a lot harder than the sparrows. He's just so far I haven't figured out how to. The sparrow's putting up a heck of a fight. It's got to be a baby. Baby female. Oh, another woodpecker just chased him away.